What's up, y'all? So before we start this video, I wanted to show y'all a quick install. I ordered a certain storage accessory to go on the new 2021 Seadoo RXP, and this will help with me not having to bend over deep in the compartment just to go get certain stuff. Go ahead and hit that like button right now, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you want to comment about anything or would like me to do any type of installs or have any questions about any of the Seadoo product and maybe I can help, go ahead and put that comment down below. Okay, let's get started. You could order this part from your local dealer. I ordered it from Team Mancuso North. There's several Team Mancusos in the Houston area, but you always have your trusty dealer that you like to go to. Gosh, they're really cooking this up. And here it is, guys. It is the Seadoo bag storage installation kit. I don't even know the price. I think it was like 40 bucks or something like that. And it goes on the front compartment lid of the new RXP. Okay, this has, you know, stuff I can put my cameras in right here. And inside it comes with the screws and the washers. And I think it takes a T30 bit. I'm not sure. Let's double check. Let's see. Nope, T30 is too big. Let's see. And it takes a T20 bit. These little screws in the washers right there. Hopefully I don't lose them. I'm gonna fast forward through this because I don't think y'all really need to see every little bit of me screwing this in here. But this is how it goes. It goes on the lid right there. Make sure you put your washer on. Just put it right here. It doesn't come with instructions, but it is pretty self-explanatory. Remember to always screw it in by hand first so you don't strip the hole that it's gonna go into. Alright guys, and we got it installed, and this is what I'm going to be using the compartment for. Instead of having to dig for these bumpers deep down there with my dock lines, I'm going to throw these in here. Well, if they go in right. Okay, they're in. And then throw my dock lines in. I could throw my camera batteries, extra other stuff that I need right in this pocket also. So if you like this video so far, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you go and hit that like button with the thumbs up at the bottom right there below the video. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed. And we're still doing the giveaway. Go to that video. The link will be right above here. Make sure you hit that like button in that video. If you don't want to win stuff, help other people win stuff, because we are almost halfway to our goal with 1,000 likes. And once we hit the 500 likes, we'll start giving half of the prizes away.
Hey, Araceli! Get us, my lad! Right, we're just gonna, this is our dance floor! Look at this, guys! Dude, the fog is coming in! Yeah, we don't know how to I saw those birds, oh, that ain't the way. Kevin, you didn't see this whole, like, birds and island?
This is funny. All right, let me keep on walking this way. Hold on. Let me see.
It seems deeper.
No, I'm just trying to do it so we're not going against the waves trying to pull it. Leader, where did you lead us to? You didn't see that there was a bird there?
You can't even see it from
Hey,
here.
fog
Dude,
came
wiped
in.
us the fuck out. Alright.
The next thing that we hear,
We'll push.
bounce.
Yeah, kind of bounce the phone a little bit. Find out where's deep. Look for everybody. Which way you gonna go?
This way.
Let's head back towards those 2 skis over there.
We're floating.
Turn left.
Hold on. Guys,
No,
we
you're
can't
not
just
floating.
turn.
Yeah, you're still bumping.
Hold on.
It's not bad. Turn that way. We're gonna go towards those guys. You're way out there.
Yeah, but no, we're going to go.
Much later.
Good times, huh? Dude, I was just listening to my music, you know, boom! Where y'all at? Oh, we'll go over there. That one's in deep. Why are we going that way?
Holy fuck!
Why is yours more? It was 3 girls and 1 guy on mine.
Little bitch ski.
Almost there.
Hold it. Fucking duck.
You're a fucking fat turd of a ski.
It's not a ski, it's a boat.
Much later.
We're almost there. Whew. I gotta sit down. I'm tired.
Good duck. Hey baby, hold on to the ski.
Much later.
Look, we're almost at knee level.
It's out.
Hold on. Who's on?
It's out.
No, it's not out. It's not out. No. You need to push it more out. All right, you gotta let.
If we can get back to where we were.
We're out, but now we got to figure out where we're going. Up, it's shallow again. We need to plane it. Oh, look, he's.